Goldman Sachs just warned 300 million jobs face automation by 2027, not tomorrow. 2027. McKinsey data shows 375 million workers will need new roles within 5 years. 50% of data entry roles vanish by 2026. Companies like JPMorgan already deployed Coin software. It completed 360,000 hours of work annually. One bot replaced 80 junior analysts in weeks. Google Workspace automation now handles 40% of administrative tasks. Your job might be next, not because you're bad, because 94% of businesses prioritize automation spending this year. Customer service roles dropping 35% by 2027. Accounting positions cut 28% by 2026. Paralegals facing 47,000 job losses within 36 months. Your salary depends on skills no bot can replicate yet. Data analysis, coding, creative direction still safe today. But not forever. The automation wave hits hardest those who wait. Right now you choose, adapt or become obsolete. The difference between your 2027 paycheck and unemployment is one decision today. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.